Hi, I'm Marilyn Powers, and I'm the program coordinator for the Virtual Reality Multimedia Production Program. Yeah, the Virtual Reality Multimedia Program allows students to learn all the components there is to learn about virtual reality, from modeling, rigging and animation, to scripting and creating full immersive environments using all of the regular hardware that is used in virtual reality, whether you're using an HTC Vive or an immersive cave. So one of the big program highlights is the fact that we've partnered with Eon Reality, and they are a world leader in creating a platform to create virtual reality environments, but also they've created an academy to train people on how to build virtual reality environments. Students will learn how to use Unity and Unreal simulation engines in order to build out their models and make them move. And they'll also get a lot of skills in 3D Autodesk Max, and that is used for the modeling. They'll learn how to deploy this on an iOS device or an Android device, and we'll also bring in virtual reality storytelling from our multimedia programs, and they'll learn product management, so how to build these and organize teams towards launching a product. So there's lots of career options in a wide variety of fields. So in gaming, of course, they use virtual reality a lot, and I'm starting to see little entrepreneurial gaming places pop up, to building augmented training solutions or operating solutions in a variety of industries. I've seen it happen, especially in the airline industry. So students can come to this program from a variety of disciplines. Quite often people from computer science or an engineering background, because they're used to doing modeling, they're attracted to this. Anybody from the multimedia production and media studies is attracted to this as well, because a lot of it is the storytelling and putting together images. Coming into the program, we just ask that you have a diploma or a degree, and then we give you hands-on skills to actually launch your career in virtual reality.